How much does professional dryer vent cleaning cost? Here's the real pricing for 2026 in the Treasure Coast area. Standard vent cleaning, $100 to $175. This covers a typical residential vent run up to 15 feet. Includes disconnecting the dryer, cleaning from both ends, and reconnecting. Long or complex runs, $175 to $250. If your vent goes through the attic, up to the roof, or has multiple elbows, the added difficulty and time increase the cost. Bird nest removal, add $50 to $100. Birds love building nests in dryer vents, especially the ones that exit through the roof or sidewall with no proper cover. The nest blocks airflow completely and is a fire hazard. Transition duct replacement, add $30 to $50. If the flexible duct behind your dryer is the old foil type, crushed, or damaged, we replace it with smooth semi-rigid aluminum duct. Much better airflow. What's included in our service? Full brush cleaning from both ends. Inspection for damage or disconnections. Airflow test before and after. Transition duct inspection. Cleaning the lint trap housing inside the dryer. How often? Once a year minimum. The cost of annual cleaning is nothing compared to a dryer fire or a burned-out heating element from restricted airflow. Professional dryer vent cleaning in Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach, Palm City, Hobe Sound. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.